Dreaming about the perfect backyard? Are you looking for the best wood pellet grill and smoker in 2023? Look no further than the Traeger Grills Ironwood 885 Pellet Grill and Smoker. This amazing model is packed with WiFi Smart Home Technology, making it the ultimate way to achieve wood-fired taste. The Ironwood 885 offers remarkable temperature control up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to cook and smoke your favorite dishes like a professional chef. Plus, with its 6-in-1 versatility, grilling, smoking, baking, roasting, braising, or BBQing are all within reach. The biggest highlight of this model is WiFIRE technology that connects your grill to your home's Wi-Fi in the Traeger app, giving you control of your grill from anywhere. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable and feature-rich wood pellet grill that will provide plenty of versatility to your cooking needs, the Traeger Grills Ironwood 885 Wood Pellet Grill is well worth considering. It's sure to take your outdoor grilling experience to another level this summer.